Hi, Dobby here with another Temu tool haul. So let's get this package open and we'll have a look inside. I've got a few interesting bits in here, hopefully you'll like them. So yeah, we'll get this package open and we'll have a look at all the bits now. And we'll push them out of the way. We'll start with the biggest one first, shall we, and work our way through. The first one is this little hacksaw set. You call it a devil saw on there. I'm not sure it's particularly for how useful it will be. Little cheap, only a couple of quid, so I thought I'd pick it up. And pretty much a standard saw. I think it only comes with wood cutting blades from the looks of it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's have another close look at everything. And yeah, so I thought it looked pretty nifty, so if I grab it. Got a relatively steady handle, it's a bit hard to do that, but there we are. Just let's tighten it. Yep. I'm guessing as well for this bigger blade maybe you have to remove this. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, pretty standard, pretty sturdy little piece of kit. Once I've used it a bit and you make it its own video. Go take that one out of the way. And next we'll move on to these. So for disclosure, I only really bought these. These are like covers for your lug nuts. You pop them on, and then you come with a little tool to remove them. That's what I really wanted, was a tool to remove them. So yeah. So if you can hear the computer ping, it's just updating. Yeah, so you use that to pull them off. I really wanted that because it's really hard to get these things off when they're on top wheels. And I thought I'd pick up a cheap one. Yeah, you'd probably end up on silhouette at some point. Yeah, so little lug nut covers and a little tool to remove them. And then I also picked up some mini fuses. I thought, oh, you know, some cheap mini fuses. Well, always useful to have. With spare fuses in. And incidentally, if you'd like me to do a video on things you're really keeping, these are one of them. I will do one. Just let me know in the comments. And yeah. So we are doing alright, they're nice little looking fuses. Obviously they're cheap, I'm not sure exactly how well they work. Do them a test and I'll let you know. Then we have, what's next? Let's do this little one next. So this supposedly is the test to see if your immobiliser is working. I'm not quite sure how it works. It looks pretty flimsy and pretty basic, you've got a light on it. Again, it's something I'll test, probably let you know, but apparently what you're going to do is you're going to put this where your key goes and twist it, and if the immobiliser is working, this light should light up. It's a pretty interesting little piece of kit, comes with a little lanyard. Yeah, we'll give it a test, see if it actually works. I'm not hopeful if I'm honest, but you never know. Would you like to be surprised? Have you ever used one of these as well? Let me know in the comments. And then we'll move on to this set of pliers here. So yeah, nice set of pliers. Quickly open up this packing. Hopefully it'll be a nice set of pliers, so say. We get it out of the packet. There we go. Oh, and a packet inside a packet. That's spring loaded, that's pretty good. Quite the packet. And these are fuel line disconnect pliers. So for taking off fuel lines and stuff. I have another set of these, they're slightly thicker and bigger ended. These look quite nice. Got rubber moulded handles. And again, all these items I picked up from Temu, I paid for them myself. No sponsorship or anything like that. Just paid for myself, picked them up. Mainly people have been recommending pick up certain bits from there. And yeah, if you've got any bits you think I should pick up from Temu and test out for you, let me know, drop a link or just let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to find them and review them for you. Yeah, so this is another one there. And yeah, pretty good. So hopefully they'll work well. Again, once I test them I'll let you know. Then we'll move on to this little one. Let me move the rubbish out of the way. And this little package. There should be, if I can find it, a tiny little soldering tip. It's a tiny little soldering tip. I don't know if you can see this, let me see if I can zoom in for you. Probably can't, but it's got a wedge shape to it, and it's my favourite style of soldering tip. And it goes with the little soldering iron I picked up and showed you in the last Temu tool. So get this open and I'll show you in action. So it basically goes into this little soldering iron tip, like so. Yeah, it fits. This is quite a handy little soldering iron, to be fair. Yeah, it fits, it heats up, so I'm guessing it can warm up and work. Yeah, once I've done a full review and had a good bit of testing on this, it just comes this little standard cone tip, but I prefer this style of tip. Little conical tip. I don't know if I can actually show you that even closer by zooming in, but yeah, there's a difference in the tips, and again it was cheap enough. It's only got hot. Let me put this little stand down and put it out of the way. Edit this bit out because you just see me moving stuff out of the way. And the last tool in this little tool, oh that was hot, is this one here. Because you didn't see it, I accidentally stuck my hand on the end of the soldering iron. Should have put it in a different place, but yeah. I see my hand, my arm. But these are electrical disconnect pliers, and people have been raving about these. So I thought I'd pick up a set and give it a good try. They've got the design for taking off your electrical connectors. And yeah, apparently they're meant to be really good, and people have been, like I said, a few people have dropped me messages and asked me to get them and try them out. A few people have recommended to me, so I thought I'd pick up this set of these, and yeah, give them a try. Again, until I actually use them, I can't really tell you my full thoughts, but they seem fairly solid and fairly robust. They're nice and smooth, so that's good. So we'll run back through all the items quickly. So we've got the soldering tip on the end of the soldering iron. I'm going to put that there for a minute. Obviously the soldering iron was in the last video. There'll be a link to that, you'll be able to find it. We've got these little caps. We've got these fuel disconnect pliers. We've got this immobiliser checking tool. And we've got the fuses, which again, we're cheap enough to pick up. And obviously we've got this hacksaw taking saw thing. So yeah, overall, a bad little tool. As I said earlier in the video, if there's anything you think I should pick up from Temu or try out, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to get hold of it and try it out for you. I'll let you know what I think. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.